Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to enable HTTPS connections in the Brave beta browser on mobile devices. This setting helps improve your online security. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside the Settings page, find Brave Shields and Privacy and tap on it. Next, find the option called Upgrade Connections to HTTPS and tap on it. You will see several choices for how HTTPS is handled. Then, select Require all connections to use HTTPS. Finally, tap on Done to save your changes. This forces Brave to always try using secure connections first. From now on, Brave Beta will automatically upgrade websites to HTTPS whenever possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.